I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place: an 8 GB or larger USB and administrator access. Once done, download the official Windows 11 ISO or the media creation tool from Microsoft on the PC you'll use. Insert the USB and format it if necessary so there's no leftover data. Make sure you choose a reliable creator utility, now Media Creation Tool, or Rufus, because the next steps depend on selecting the ISO and target drive correctly, which sets up a bootable layout for UEFI or legacy systems. Now configure the creation tool with care. In Rufus, pick the downloaded Windows 11 ISO and the correct USB drive. In Media Creation Tool, follow the prompts to create installation media. Choose GPT partition scheme for modern UEFI systems, or MBR if you must support legacy BIOS. That choice matters because the firmware expects a matching scheme. Set the file system to NTFS if the image has large files. Use FAT32 when you need older device compatibility. Then start the write process and wait. Once the USB write finishes, safely eject it and move to the target PC. Restart and enter BIOS or the one-time boot menu. Set the USB as the first boot device if needed. Booting from the USB launches the Windows 11 installer. Follow prompts to partition drives and install. If the PC refuses to boot, make sure Secure Boot and TPM settings align with your chosen media. And if problems persist, recreate the USB with an alternate tool or different USB stick to rule out media corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.